What's going on, guys? It's your boy. Damn, hold on. Let me come back with more energy. What's going on, guys? It's your boy David B. I'm back again with another video. So today we're gonna be doing a mukbang, and we got some Caribbean food. You feel me? I got the only real Caribbean people know about that. And I posted like. No, I didn't post, but I filmed like 2 videos. Look, I knew it was gonna leak, bro. Oh, baby, bro. I knew it was gonna leak, bro. They got one job, bro. One job. But yeah, I knew it was gonna leak, bro. I knew it. But yeah, anyways, for my sauce, this is some sauce. She said it's hot sauce. I'm gonna get a quick thumbnail real quick. And then we're gonna get straight to the bag. So I don't know what to talk about. I'ma just film. And I'ma eat, you feel me? What's understood doesn't got to be explained, but check what's on the menu. Let me get a thumbnail. Let's get straight to the bag. Hopefully y'all don't hear them music, bro. Crack this open real quick. Cause it's about to get messy. But yeah, how y'all day today? When some people do mukbang, some people actually like eat with them. So if you hear me right now, we family. Unless you a girl over 16 and you trying to bust down, then we not family. Cause you know. But yeah, how your day? What you ate? Let me know. Comment section below. I want to talk about. I'm gonna do a separate video on it, but relationships and shit like that. I could never see myself in a relationship because I have too much of high standards. And if you see me with a girl, shit, I got a girl right now that you don't know about. But if you see me with a girl, so she's a 10 out of 10. Everything. I mean, seriously, I might do a couple of videos, some banging videos with females and stuff, but I'm talking about girlfriend. Yeah, I don't know about that, coach. I don't know. But me in a relationship is like career suicide for YouTube, no cap. It's like pornography. You know it when you see it, you feel me? So like, the only thing I could think of benefiting my channel with a girl, talking about the girlfriend, I'm making so much lit videos with girls this year, and I'm just overall making my channel better. The only thing I could think of is my new girlfriend. She cheated on me. I'm breaking up with her. My response to her reaction, and all type of videos like that. That's the only thing. And I'm gonna drop a. We might be getting back together. And I'm right. That's the only thing I see. But shit, I'm copping some new clothes soon, so it's gonna be lit. I've been baiting on these Balenciagas for the longest. I'm not gonna cap. I've been baiting, but it's like $800. That's a lot to some people, and it's tough. But I'm gonna cop some nice things for the summer. Got some lit videos in for you guys. My dream job is YouTube. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it fucked up. My dream job is YouTube. And if it's not, IG, or I just want to be a boss in general. Who doesn't want to be a boss? You shouldn't have to work for nobody. You feel me? Yo, this hot sauce is hot. I'm done with that, bro. The real Africans made that, bro. They got this shit from the village and brought it to America, bro. That shit is hot, bro. Hot. But yeah, you should be your own boss, bro. And if you love seafood, like this video, bro. Hot, bro. I don't know why some people eat with a glove, or they be having the, they're hot, bro. They be having the thing to break it, and they be black coon. I'm African, nigga. I'm biting straight into it. Hold on. My nigga. Shit hot. Whoever you was in a past life, I'm sorry, but oh my god. Butter. Like, I wish someone could be next to me making a mukbang. But I'm lonely. Lonely. But yeah, I'm thinking of making a dirty truth or dare. Me and 3 females, or I might have my bro with me. Because I don't want you school shooters that's watching this to get too jealous of David B being a boss. Because it's literally, yo, this household, I'm about to throw this, hold up. If you ain't watched my last video, tell me, go back and watch it. Tell me how my hair is. Just did the hair, but tell me how it came out. Come on now. Beautiful. But yeah, tell me how it came out. Like, it's literally some girls that wanna fuck with me, like I could tell the way they are, bro. But they don't wanna make no YouTube videos with me, yo. Like, I don't get it. I know some girls are fucking with me, but I don't know if they're scared of people I'm with. Not in that type of babe, but my subscribers or whatever. Or, I don't know, but some girls are baiting on the collabs and stuff, but I ain't saying no names. I ain't saying no names. But I'm that nigga at the end of the day, so it don't matter. And another thing I'm about to do, I asked y'all on Instagram, do y'all want to see vlogs of me apartment shopping? Because I'm 17 and a half right now, so as soon as I turn 18, nah, this is, see you later. Lincoln Coca. God damn. We got African teeth, bruh. Woo. My son was a whole animal. And I'm just, I'm murking her. But yeah, what did I talk about? Oh yeah, some girls be baiting with collabs. Like, if you're a girl right now and you watching this in New York and you got badges and you're not a plate cleaner, hit me up. Like I don't understand, bro. Like, it's views, it's clout. How are you not gonna benefit from a collab with David B? Like a few months ago, I did a rating girls, right? 12K views, bro. Like, every single time I show my personality and I'll just be that nigga, niggas fuck with me, bro. Or niggas hate, bro. Either way, I'm still that nigga. But apartment, fucking video coming soon. I'ma make a skincare video because my skin is clear as fuck. It runs in the genes, I believe, but it's certain things I do that I'm gonna make a video to show you guys for people that got like bad skin, decent skin, whatever you want to say, you want to improve it. I got something for you guys because I look out for all my guys, bro. I reply to every comment. Don't be scared to comment. I got y'all. But yeah, shit. Trapping off the one leg. What? David, what you talking about? I don't know, bro. Shit. YouTube has been slow lately. Y'all peep that, bro? Have you peeped that, bro? YouTube has been dry, bro. Alright. I'm thinking of that shit, bro. Except for the gaming side of YouTube, which is technically Twitch, but YouTube has been fucking dry, bro. Only the summertime, when it comes around the summertime, like around May, June, that's when YouTube starts to pop. And you see a lot of new rappers around that time too, so it's not even like it's just YouTube, bro. Like, y'all gonna see some pranks. I was gonna do a laxative prank, but I'm not that rude of a person. I'm gonna just do like, oh my God. Listen, that video, the first video I posted, get that shit to 10K and get my other videos. If you're watching this video right now, go to my other videos, like, comment, share with your friends. Come back to this video, get all them videos to like close to 1K views, and I got y'all with a beautiful, beautiful video, bro. The video that I'm gonna post is gonna be legendary, bro. Coming right now. $1 million, that's $1 million. Million viewed video, promise you. All the versions gonna be like, David B collab? Oh. Let's run up the numbers, bruh. Run the numbers up. Run it up. Bro, when I move out, bro, taking gaming to a whole new level. Like, for my guys, right? Once you move out, you could never say, I don't got the free. But look, 2019, respect all my females, right? But for my guys, like, you could never say, I don't got the free. We always have the free. And yeah, I'm taking YouTube seriously. I'm taking it seriously now, but the gaming side, all types of shit when I move out, bro. I'm gonna have the best internet in the tri-state area, bro. God damn, folk. No cap. Yo, crab is amazing, bro. Crab is amazing, bro. I don't know who you was in your past life, my nigga, but you ate your vitamins, my nigga. That's no cap. But yeah, I'm about to speed up, cause I don't know. I used to make a long ass. I'm gonna cap, right? When I used to do vlogs, bro, I used to make long ass videos, bro. And my watch time used to be like half of the video. So I understand some of y'all can't stay watch 30, 40 minute videos, maybe 20. Except for this video. If you still here, I fuck with you, but some people just can't sit and watch for that long, and I understand that now. Unless you really fuck with me, you watch the entire video, but see, I don't know why people don't need that thing. I'm African, nigga. Nah, but when I go out, ugh, I'm spoiling it. Would you guys like to see a date vlog? I mean, taking a shorty out? I mean, no. Cause at this point, I really need ideas. Like, I got the creativity, but I just need ideas, something that you guys want first. Like, y'all gotta give me the approval. Once y'all give me the approval, I'm on it, you feel me? Once y'all give me the approval. So y'all gotta let me know, bruh. Yeah, back in my bag now. Alright, this is the last one right here. Thick my back in my bag now, last piece. I'm gonna try to hurry up because I got shit to do. Some people legitimately just like people eating and having a conversation. No cap. I need a background music just for me, bro. Yo, Chief. I'm just tearing her down. Oh yeah, I'm about to talk about things I like in a girl. Like, summertime, if a girl know how to slay a crop top, a nice slick bun, and like brown skin, light skin, dark. If she's dark skin and she appeals to me and she a rare Pokemon, you feel me? But yeah, that's crazy. If y'all can hear the cringy music in the background, I'm sorry. There's nothing I can do about it. It's a whole lockdown. But yeah, alright, this nigga wild. Listen. Nice crop top. She gotta have great hygiene, great personality. I gotta fuck with shorty. A nice shy girl, not too shy. I mean, shy at first, you know, after a while she get mad cool. I don't know what I like, bro. I just gotta appeal to you, bro. I don't even know right now. I really don't even know. It's just like, if you see something, you like it, that's what it is, how I am. Like, if you just see a shorty, you're like, yo, she's fucking bad, bro. And you talk to her, and the vibe is even more greater, my nigga. Yo, you good, bro? I went like this, and it's mad sharp, bro. Like, you're deceased already. You're deceased. But, shorty bad, bro. Oh, God, bro. Oh, my God. It's not all about looks, but for me, let's be realistic. That's just like, let's say I'm Fortnite, right? No. Fortnite, you know I'm a Fortnite head. Fortnite not all about building, but you gotta have mats though, right? And she gotta have badges, so once she got looks, personality, oh yeah, nothing. Shorty gotta have beautiful teeth, straight teeth, white teeth. White teeth, brush your teeth, ladies. And hygiene is key, ladies, too. I'm just saying that for all the ladies watching this right now. Hygiene is key. Hygiene is key. You need to watch a Lassetti video, 15 million views on hygiene. If you need to watch it, link down below. No, I'm just kidding. Type in Lassetti. And if you need that, go crazy, you feel me? But hygiene is key, my guy. But we gonna see how this year goes for me. Hopefully this year slots. I'm David B. I'm always gonna be getting bread. Always the money man. So one thing I can say, I don't need YouTube to survive. I'm gonna still be that nigga. And I'm getting rich one way or the other. You know why? 'Cause I'm motivated. And you should be the same too. Anybody watching this right now, you could be rich. You could be rich. Put your mind to it. If someone else be like, you're just talking. Are they rich? No, nigga. All right then. So get to the bag, count, save money, invest. And come on, y'all need the tricks in life. I might make a how to make money video on my channel, but I might be giving away the goods. But y'all run some numbers up, fuck with me. I give y'all the juice and tips on life, especially if you're young. But anyways, about to shorty done. Eliminated. How do I say goodbye? Facts. But alright, YouTube, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully I don't got no unknown shit on my face. But if you enjoyed this video, this mukbang, make sure you leave a like and comment. If you want to see another mukbang, let me know in the comment section below. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this video. And I'm out, bruh. Bust down.